Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, Cook and Barbecue 24/7. Today we have a great recipe for you and I'm looking forward to sharing it with you. If you like these kind of videos, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share with family and friends on social media. And we have a lot of great cooking coming along so far. And one more thing, I want to thank everybody who supported me, early subscribed, and I can't thank you enough. Today we're cooking pulled pork on the Weber Kettle using the SNS Slow N Sear. This is a 7.5 pound nice beautiful pork butt I picked up from my local Walmart grocery store. It didn't need much trimming at all. I just cut off a couple places of hard fat and then I did a checkerboard score on the backside. Very simple. And all I also did is a mix of 50-50 Lawrys seasoning salt and 50% of freshly ground black pepper, my go-to, just for good flavor and nothing too crazy, nothing too off the wall. And this is very simple trimming and scoring and seasoning. I let the butt marinate overnight in the fridge and now it's 4 in the morning. This is the picture of the SNS Slow N Sear. It turns your Weber Kettle into an indirect cooker. And also you can see the water pan. I have the water pan filled up with charcoal, lump charcoal, and a piece of hickory. And I have a pan underneath the Boston butt just for easy cleanup. It's smoky, it's coming along. That large chunk of hickory is catching fire. And we're about to close her on down and let her cook. Here we are at the three hour mark. My cooker been running for anywhere from 325 to 425 pretty hot, and I'm spritzing with a mix of apple juice, water, and apple cider vinegar, even 3 parts even. And she's cooking fast, guys. This is a big piece of meat. I wanted to cook fast. It'll handle the heat. It's going to get pretty dark, but I'm not worried about it. That good bark is going to get broken down and mixed into the pulled pork, and it's going to have a great flavor. Again, we're running about 325 to 425, nice and hot. Lump charcoal and hickory chunks of wood. Now, right here, we're at the 5 hour mark, and guys, it's getting nice and dark, creating great bark. Smells awesome. And I'm going to go ahead and get prepared and get ready to wrap. Wrap it up in an aluminum pan. I didn't add any more seasoning or liquid. Wrap it up in an aluminum pan and nice and tight, and added more wood and kept the air to it. So like we said, we're running 325 to 425, nice and hot. I spritzed it twice with apple cider vinegar, water, and apple juice mix, and just letting that butt cook, get nice and dark, and nice crispy bark. And man, it had a lot of nice flavor, and it's coming along well. So here we go, wrapping it. Now here we are at the 5 hour mark. My fire died down a little bit, so I add a little bit more lump charcoal. I didn't add any more hickory wood because it's already wrapped. Let some air get to this coals and let it crank back up. And right now I was probing a little bit tough in the center, so I let it cook for another hour. And when you see this butt again, it's going to be in the kitchen. It cooked for a total time of 6 hours, and I let it rest for 2 hours. Hot and fast, about 325 on up to about 425, 450. So she cooked nice and fast, a 6 hour butt. Now here we are, we're in the kitchen. Already, it's done. It's cooled down a little bit, cool enough to handle. Right here, I'm pulling that bone out. It came out clean, no force it in or at all. Came out nice and clean. I didn't have to tug on it. No meat came with it, so it was nice and tender. And here, I'm just using my bare claws to shred this up, get this nice and fine, incorporate all that nice, crispy, dark, flavorful bark. And also, guys, I drained it. And once you shred all this meat and stir it up together, you have to taste it along with your stock. And if needs a little bit more pepper or salt, just add a little bit, stir it again, stir it again. It's a big chunk of meat. You're looking at what, 5-6 pounds of meat that it needs a lot of seasoning. So it turned out great, man. My family and friends loved it. Look at that smoke ring. Look at that bark. Oh man. But it turned out great. Just remember, you got to season your meat, let it cool, season, incorporate everything, and taste everything before you serve it to someone. Hey guys, I just added a little bit more seasoning just to make it a little bit more flavorful. It was a little bit fresh, so I added some more spices and black pepper, and it turned out great. And now I'm just incorporating everything, stirring, pulling from the bottom, pulling from all sides, incorporating all that good flavor. Guys, I can't thank you guys enough for watching my videos. And if you guys like this content, please consider subscribing. Hitting the like buttons under these videos will really help out the channel. and also share with family and friends who also may be interested in cooking videos, barbecue videos, air frying videos. And guys, this is the final pictures coming up. Thank you for all your support. Guys, comment and let me know how you guys cook your pulled pork. I know a lot of folks use the crock pot. I love the crock pot. And if you guys ever heard of the pulled pork cooked in the crock pot using Coca-Cola, I've heard about that. I think I'm going to try that. It seems very weird, but I want to try it. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for staying this long. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe.